How to enable the dark mode in Windows 11. So hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can enable the dark mode of your Windows 11. So if you want to enable the dark mode, the first thing you need to do is head on to the settings of your Windows 11 computer. To do this, simply access your taskbar, and in the taskbar right click onto the start button, and from here simply choose settings. Then under the settings, you will see this option of personalization on the left hand side. So simply click onto the personalization, and then under the personalization, you will see the option of colors. So simply click onto the colors, and from here you have this first section which says choose your mode. Change the color that appear in Windows and your apps. So from here, as you can see that currently it is set to light. So simply click onto this option, and from here choose dark. And once you will do this, you can see that now your Windows 11 is appearing in dark mode. Apart from that, what you can also do after just entering the settings is simply search dark in the search bar, and from here you will have this option of turning on dark mode for apps, and once you will click here you will be landed onto the same page, and then you can make the changes as per your requirement. So that's it for this video. If this video was any helpful to you, do make sure to give it a like. Tell us in the comment how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.